What's up, friends? Amar here, and today I'm recording this quick video to let you know that from now on I will be using this tool here to record any videos that I'll be posting on this channel or other channels. So, this is an amazing tool. This is an all in one application that allows you to produce quality videos from start to finish, from recording your screen, your voice, your camera, your webcam, or all together as I am doing right now. I'm recording my camera, my mic, and my screen in the same time to produce this video. As you can see here, I have already some projects done with this application, recent projects here on top. And if you want to see all your projects, you just click here, projects, and you see your projects. You can create folders to organize your work. Like this folder has 3 videos on it, and you can go to the home page again and start a new project. So these videos are created for a new YouTube channel that I decided to start. This YouTube channel is called Breaking Beyond Barriers. As you can see, it has already 4 videos in it. There are actually many ways that you can start recording a new video or start a new project. You can start from scratch, or you can start using one of these magic tools, AI tools that helps a lot. Let me just tell you that you can use the AI video generator, where you provide a keyword or a script and FlexClip will take care of the rest, produces the video and gives you the chance to edit it as you wish. You have the AI auto subtitle when you speak. When you're doing, for example, a tutorial video, AI will help you generate these subtitles for your video automatically. You have the AI text to speech, you have the AI translator, AI video script, record your voice, or my favorite one here, record your screen and or webcam. You can also start from a template. There are many templates here that you can start from, and then of course customize as you wish. There are vertical videos, square videos, and landscape videos. In the beginning, I created this new YouTube channel for testing purposes, but now with this tool, I think I will grow it for real. They provide, actually, FlexClip provides high quality footages, 4K footages, 1080 footages, amazing footages, as you can see here. And you can add to that your own voice or AI generated voice, or you can come up with some music tracks that you have the right to publish on YouTube, of course, and put them on top of those footages. And this is exactly what I did with these videos. Let me give you a sneak peek. If I take this video here, for example, you will see
You're still
there are
here.
footage.
Ivy seeds, mushroom seeds, you doubt, feeding mediocrity, feeding fear.
If you know exactly what you want to be, you need to spend as much time with people that are actually that already. You must go out and you must take these risks.
Let's see another video. Let's take this one, for example. You see the quality of the footages. Footages are really amazing. Footages, you can put on top of them some kind of music. Let's see another video, for example, this one. If you don't have already a FlexClip account, I left a link below this video. It's my affiliate link, and if you upgrade on this software, I will make a commission. But this is really worth it because I decided, actually, the title of this video, I'm definitely switching to a FlexClip because this is an amazing tool, actually. It provides lots of tools and makes your life really easier. And if you are not familiar with this channel, it's called How to Web Work, where I publish videos and tutorials about how to use some affiliate marketing tools, just like Leads Leap here, which allows you to make recurring affiliate commissions. And also, I produce and promote Warrior Plus affiliate offers that will allow you to make affiliate commissions just like this. So if you want to discover more about affiliate marketing, please check the videos that are on this channel. They are straight to the point, there's no fluff. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is import the strategies, import the tutorials, import the pages, and start using them for yourself. Now you can ask me, what does this has to do with FlexClip and video making, video generating, using AI capabilities to make good content? Well, there is a secret in affiliate marketing. They say content is king. So the best way to have steady stream of traffic and income is to be able to produce quality content on regular basis. The content needs to be focused on the viewers, your clients, your subscribers, and you want to give them some kind of tutorials or anything that helps them resolve their problem. People will follow you, will like you, and they will buy from you. This is the best thing to have a steady stream of income and traffic. So, for those who are doing affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, or any kind of marketing to make money online, this strategy works. Putting quality content out there on social media platforms and doing it on a regular basis. Social media platforms are booming everywhere, and people are consuming content on social media, especially YouTube. I like YouTube because people come to YouTube to search for answers, to search for solutions. And if you are able to provide those answers and solutions, people will like you and people will trust you and people will buy from you. So this is a working strategy. It has been always working, and it's working, and it will work for years to come. So if you want to really succeed with affiliate marketing or any other marketing online, you want to produce content that benefits your viewers and gives them answers and gives them solutions, and people then will like you, trust you, and buy from you. Please don't hesitate to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you are new to it, and if you have any kind of questions, leave them in the comment section below this video, and I will see you on my next one.